Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye. Thank you guys for joining my Patreon. We're gonna keep the podcast going. Trust me, I know how good it feels to find comfort in someone who's going through the exact same thing. Even I found friends via TikTok who I text daily now because we're experiencing the same situation. It feels so validating, and I'm just happy that I can be that for some people on my Patreon as well. Thank you for sharing your stories. It was that Mercury retrograde. Everything will make sense later, and trust and believe that it's not happening to you, it's happening for you. We'll get through this. Anyway, today's haul is kind of exciting because I haven't done anything like this. People who can afford shop everything from Revolve. If you know, you know, a simple dress can range from $200 to $500, and I was not gonna do that. I'm a simple human being. So what I did was I bought high quality clothes under $50 from Revolve, and it's all from the sale section. I figured if we're gonna do a rich people haul, let's do it in an affordable, realistic way, because who doesn't shop from the sale section? Here's the first piece. Ooh, a mock neck. Feels just like any other mock neck. It is heavier. This might be a really good transition piece for fall, so let's see. So this was originally $58. It's not that crazy. Personally, $58 for a mock neck, cropped. I don't know if I would have done it. I got this for $28. I thought that was a good steal. This is the Montana knit top. It's in the size medium. Kind of hangs over the tatas, like it doesn't sit on my stomach. If I were to, I mean, it's very close. There's just a gap down here. It's airy. It's cute. I love forest green on my skin tone. I'm intrigued, I'm not gonna lie. As much as I don't want to like it, for 28 bucks, not bad. It has this higher mock neck that's ribbed, of course, all over. So maybe do consider some support down here because it does droop them down. Nothing holding on or gripping them. On the model, she's pretty tall, so it's like very cropped for her, but for me, a short torso, I like to say this is average. It is what it is. And here's the thing, as a boutique owner who's most likely going to discontinue the shop, news to everyone, so go shop right now on That's Our Shop. Everything's on sale. This may be 58 bucks, but it was probably made at 28 bucks. When it's marked down, you're just breaking even. I mean, that's just a little truth on these high-end products. Nothing too impressive. I think with some jeans and a jacket, this is the appropriate summer to fall transition. It's not crazy. I'm really excited for this skirt though. Please fit. So this is originally $59. It's a size 10. Button it up. So that's how the skirt looks. Mid-thigh length, and then you're supposed to just wrap this around and button it. It actually fits perfectly. So this is Steve Madden's Kayla skirt, and I got it for 32 bucks, which is not bad. The skirt actually feels really high quality, and you guys know me, I'm obsessed with asymmetrical cuts. This is the perfect skirt for fall summer. So the asymmetrical cut is pretty lengthy. It goes down above my knee. However, the skirt alone feels a little short, which is weird because I never say that. I like things short. For the tiny ounce of butt cheeks I have, even I feel a little like scandalous. So I do recommend wearing some spandex underneath or some thin lined shorts. For the price too, like we just stole that. It could have easily been 60 bucks, but no girl, 32? You have a pocket here and then some mini fringes going around. Some pockets back here, and the quality, I will say, is so much better. I feel like this skirt fits me so naturally, and it's an organic fit. I'm pretty confident I'm a size 8 right now, but this being a size 10 fits perfectly. It sits on my stomach nice and proud. The back is a little flat. Oh, the skirt kind of falls out into like an A-line, very minuscule. It really helps with the hip dips because easily it could have sat on my muffin top. Kind of gives me a little bit of shape, and I love this pocket that overlays in stacks on top. Shop the sale section. Okay, Revolve. Okay, rich people. Under 50? Come on. It's a steal. So this next piece is the Love Letter tube top from Free People, and I got this for $32. Nothing crazy. I do like the print. It has like this shell. Is it even a shell? I don't know. There's nice detailing to this because the bottom is actually wavy. If I were to pull it up like this, it carves out these waves on the bottom. I love how it sits on her body, like, and her skin tone, gorgeous. Is it too high? I don't know. Typically, I'm such a huge fan of prints that can really blend into like black and white. This would have been it, but it looks cooler on her. On me, I don't love it. I appreciate the elastic strap and the ribbing here. Maybe it's the skirt. Should we take the skirt off? It goes down pretty long for me. It's not that short. She just looks badass and cool. The textured material feels nice, but it's not like, I got this off of Revolve. I'm realizing that skirt was the only bottom I got for under 50. Everything else was above. Should I go put on jeans? Okay, my classic ripped jeans. These are from Shein. I know you guys don't like hearing that, but they're still my favorite. Okay, having some type of denim on is actually helping me like this top a little bit more. Still showcases my bust and a flat tummy. And if I really wanted to show my belly button, I could. The cutest part about this top are the swirlies down here, and there's just no way I'm gonna wear it like this. I say this is just a so-so top. You don't need it. I love ASTR, the label. They are pretty pricey. This was originally 86 bucks. I got it for 54. Still a little pricey. It's a little bit over the $50. I love the pink. She looked great. I didn't realize there are shoulder pads in this. Again, you might want to wear a bra ski with this, but I'm raw dogging. Split your shoulder pads like hot dog buns. It is not comfy. It's prickly. And the high neck comes up so high. One thing about turtlenecks, if you know, you know. Us mid-sized thicker girls don't like to wear it because it pushes out our double chin, an extra layer of chin, I must say. And the more I look at it, it's kind of Grammy. These models on Revolve, they look amazing. They look fantastic. They look rich. I look like Pepto-Bismol. The color is actually a little bit darker than I thought, but it has like almost this shade of purple. If I were to wear this out, I would expect a little bit more fashion. Realistically, I would just pair it with jeans like this. And do I look fashionable? No. This isn't really my style, but I was trying to go for something more mature. By the way, that reminds me, I'm doing this whole series on TikTok where I do fun healing things until I feel like myself again. Why I'm bringing that up is I thought I needed to re-identify myself, me as a whole, as a person. So I went with something that I normally wouldn't go for, and I'm realizing don't do that. Maybe if I styled this differently, but for the price, the sleeves are supposed to be a little bit baggy, but on me, like, it fits fine. It doesn't fully bring out the shape that I was hoping for. Even the shoulder pads, like, what are they really doing? Adding a layer of bulk. If you're slimmer, it's gonna be baggier, give you more of that powerful structure. Not a fan of the material. I like the little sparkles. Again, I'm all for finding my sparkle. Why are the shoulder pads looking like that? I mean, granted, they're giving me a point, an edge, but maybe that's not the edge I'm looking for. The good thing about shopping on Revolve's sale section, you can still return things. This top was the biggest steal, but ta-da! This ranged $98. I'm telling you, like 100 bucks. I got it for 37. And honestly, this was the quality I was expecting off of Revolve. I did get a size large. I should have extra large to myself. One thing I'm realizing on Revolve, you should size up. This formula of the denim is so beautiful. It has a green yellowish tinge to it. I was only able to buckle it down here, but I couldn't zip it down. I'm like, oh, maybe I could keep it because, you know, I'll lose a couple more sizes. Is it worth it though? Kind of. Technically it's 100 bucks and I got it for 30. I don't love how it sits on the belly area. To be fair, it feels nice because you can breathe out and there's like this swoop. It feels like two little ear bubble pockets. Not really conforming to your body too well. I mean, can we be mad? Granted, it is really nice quality denim. It's very square even though it has these diagonal cuts. I only want to keep it because it is so expensive. Wearing it out, first of all, I can't even wear it out. Look how tight it is. I need to be like a size small. You gotta consider like the tatas as well, you know? Not too sure if it's worth it. I think I just want to keep it because of the steal. Don't get into your cheap mind frame. I'd rather just get my 40 bucks back. Doesn't fit you anyway. Don't do the whole toxic, I'll keep it dumb skinny. Definitely not hating. Even the material underneath is so soft. There's not a lot of structure gripping or holding onto your tatas. So wearing this out, you're probably risking a lot anyway. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to pass on this. So this is the next piece for $42, but I got it for $28. For Revolve qualified quality, I think it's just okay. I really like one shoulder, so they make the perfect basic, but still showing off some character. On the model, she's a little flatter. It looks very nicely formed on her, like just straight cut. But then when you add in chesty besties, it gives you all these like weird extra bubbles of room. Doesn't fully like sag as well, so I'm just left with these craters everywhere. I mean, if I pull it down, I guess it helps a little bit, but naturally I know it's gonna rise because this strap is not too lengthy. It's just gonna lift and rise on its own. Clearly makes you look busty. The fit is not what I was expecting. For the most part, it's fine, but from afar, I feel like I'm wearing a shoulder bag on my as my top. There's so much roundness. I feel like this is a saddle on my body. I mean, love the material, love the knit, love the ribbing. It's very sophisticated. It's just the fit for me. I know what it is. It's like I'm carrying a newborn, swaddling it. I mean, it's a cute one shoulder, if you must. I want my $20 back. Can't go wrong with the vintage racing tee. I got this for 38 bucks. It wasn't on sale. It was just a t-shirt. I was debating on going oversized because I usually wear my t-shirts like supersized on me. I like it that way, but t-shirt I want to go out in day to day because I draw my figure too much in like oversized things. I figured I'd go with a medium. It's not too tight, not too loose. Naturally, it is down to here, but I wouldn't wear my t-shirt like this. I'd probably tuck it in my sports bra or in my pants or something like this just to play with my figure a little bit. I do love this big crew neck line. Some might say it looks a little bit suffocating. That's why you wear a necklace. Obsessed with the color. I love this khaki wood stone shade. The sleeves are perfect. It says pretty vacant racing. If you're into racing, I guess you know what this means. It's just a high quality t-shirt that can wear beautiful on my skin tone. I love the sleeves. Cute little high quality t-shirt from Revolve. Look at this cute Free People Revolve cami. It was only for 30 bucks and I got the size medium large. I love the fit. I feel feels really nice. I will say, if I were to wear this, because we know my girls like to repel, as you can see, I would need some boob tape. I would not want to wear a bra with this. It's kind of interesting how low the scoop goes. It's almost like a v-neck, but not. And then it traces with a little lettuce lace, similar to the bottom of this. If you can tell, it fit perfectly, like right at the belly button. She pulls it up super high. I thought I needed to do that. However, it has lines right here, and I figured that's where you'd want your tatas to go, right? The straps are adjustable and must I say, it's such a soft, beautiful fabric. Like it stretches, but then it kind of like bounces back into its form. So it does feel like it snugs you back without it feeling like it's like tightening or Spanx or something like that. We're just lacing. I love the thin straps. Again, adjustable. Nothing too special, just tape it. Feels very high-end, very high quality, so I think it's worth the 30 bucks. This tank is more like a going out tank top where you want to dress up. Just strap them in. We're keeping. This is our last piece. It kind of falls out of the 50 range, but this was originally $84 and I got it for 63 bucks. Compared to the $100 denim corset, this one has way more structure. Adjusting the straps is a pain in the ass though, I will say. This is also a size large and it actually zips, but I feel like it squeezes all the jigglies up. I mean, I feel like you can tell. It feels like back in the day bustiers where they just like squeeze your stomach and then everything just comes out here or down here. Not gonna lie though, it looks good. Even the boning of the corset kind of digs into your back. I feel like there's a lot of quality there. It feels very stiff and structured. Look at me moving my body in the corset. It's just like unbothered. It's just not the most comfy. Imagine sitting in this. Look at this. That would hurt after a while. It just like doesn't budge. It really gushes everything down here or up on your back. I think it's flattering, but realistically wearing this, I would not be comfy. Love the purple denim. If you have chesty besties, just expect this to feel completely stuffed. Again, I love how special this purple color looks with this gold brown threading. You can kind of see on the straps, but I think you can tell after a while that I can't breathe. It's just digging into my back and my traps. Cute for a photo, but not cute for an all-day wear. And that's it for this rich people haul under 50 bucks. I did the best I can. There's not a lot of options, to be honest. Let me know what other sale sections I should shop on rich people clothes. Bye, love you.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday.